Julia and Andrea live in a charming historical building in the city center. With the upcoming renovation of the facades, they need to find a solution that allows them to air condition the flat while respecting the architectural decor. In fact, it is forbidden to install condensers outside the building. They were suggested the perfect solution: TechnoPoint's Idra Next, the innovative air conditioner without an outdoor unit. Invisible, silent, and compact, Idra Next fully meets their needs because it can be installed anywhere and does not require holes in the facade or permits. The installation is easy and offers a wide range of indoor units. They were suggested placing the condensing unit in a small space under the kitchen sink associated with a ducted system. Temperature management is independent between the sleeping and living areas. Thanks to Idra Next, Julia and Andrea finally enjoy an air-conditioned and functioning home. With the Smart Life app, they can conveniently customize the temperature in each room, even remotely.